हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आपकी स्टडी बहुत अच्छी चल रही होगी। और आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ एक स्टैटिक जीके का पार्ट। जीएस पार्ट में सबसे ज्यादा जो इम्पोर्टेंट होता है वो है स्टैटिक जीके एंड करंट अफेयर्स। सो वी हैव टू कवर ऑल द स्टैटिक जीके पोर्शन along with other subjects like history, geography, polity, etc. So without any further delay, let's begin our class. Where is India located? Correct answer, Northern Hemisphere. India lies in the north of equator, so we can say that it lies in the Northern Hemisphere. Which place in India is known as the land of rising sun? Correct answer, Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal is the easternmost state of India and gets the first sunrise in the country. India comprises of how many states? Correct answer, 28 states. India is a federal union comprising of 28 states and 8 union territories. What is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh? Correct answer, Itanagar. Whereas Dispur is the capital of Assam and Panaji is the capital of Goa. What state has the largest area? Correct answer, Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state of India in terms of area. Which state has the largest population? Correct answer, Uttar Pradesh. UP has population of more than 166 million. Which city is known as the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir? Correct answer, Srinagar. Srinagar is the summer capital, whereas Jammu is the winter capital of Jammu and Kashmir. What is the national sweet of India? Correct answer, Jalebi. Jalebi is India's national sweet. You can enjoy it any time of the day. Which is the cheapest city in India? Correct answer, Bhopal. Bhopal is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh and has been constantly ranked among the cheapest cities to live in India. Which is the costliest city in India? Correct answer, Mumbai. Mumbai is India's most expensive city to live in, according to a report released by a renowned property consultant firm Knight Frank India. Which is the largest city in India? Mumbai, Kolkata, Delhi, Madras. Which is the longest river of India? Gandaki, Kosi, Brahmaputra, Ganga. Correct answer, Ganga. Which is the widest river of India? Brahmaputra, Gomti, Ganga, Chambal. Correct answer, Brahmaputra. Which is the tallest tower of India? Charminar, Qutub Minar, Hanging Tower, Shahid Minar. Correct answer, Qutub Minar. Blue Mountain Peak is located in Manipur, Mizoram, Sikkim, Meghalaya. Correct answer, Mizoram. The longest river of peninsular India is Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada. Correct answer, Godavari. The Himalayan mountain range is an example of Full Mountain, Residual Mountain, Volcanic Mountain, Block Mountain. Correct answer, Fold Mountain. Which state was popularly known as the Land of Gods? Uttarakhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana. Correct answer, Uttarakhand. Which state of India is always referred as God's own country? Uttarakhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana. Correct answer, Kerala. Where is the world's largest banyan tree found? Thailand, Karnataka, West Bengal, Sri Lanka. Correct answer, West Bengal.